Hi, good morning, everybody. This is Marilyn. Do we have any audio? More or less? Maybe? Yes, we do. Great, thanks. Good morning, everybody. This is Welcome to My World. This is my view from my world at about 8:30 almost on the Friday, the 13th of November. I can't believe it's halfway through November already. I just take a second here to go over a few things. The big thing to note this morning, um, I'm not sure if I don't think Larry is around today, but if he's not, he would be dancing on the tables today because the VIX is over 18. And as that thing, if it'll hold up there, the expectation is that some of these indices are going to back off a little. They have been in a hovering pattern for the last 2 hours, all four of them. But they tended to drift down overnight. We'll see what happens here when those open in about an hour. But there are I've got a time and sales up on the TF, and there have been some block orders coming in surprisingly for this early. I think my block orders are set to 10 on that. So, the other thing I noticed this morning is the Canadian dollar is once again not very happy. We have news coming right here at 8:30. So if you're in a trade right now, I would pay real close attention to it. This is retail sales and core retail PPI. The core PPI is in about 2 minutes. At 10 o'clock, we have the preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment, and we also have the preliminary inflation expectations. Boy, I just love that. They've got this inflation thing. This is the invisible inflation that they don't see and all the rest of us experience. Wow. So anyway, let's see. This morning in crude oil, this is the reward that the early birds get. And I mean, from 3 o'clock in the morning, I don't know about that. But from right here about 7:30, this gave a real nice signal, and I wish I was still in that. I took about 20 ticks off that because I had to take care of something else here in the house. But there's a good 35 or 40 ticks off of this. And you didn't have to be up in the middle of the night to catch this. It was real easy to see on the 210 because right off of this sell zone, it was about the same time, a little after 7. So all the way down here to the, this is the open of today. Right now, we've got a lot of activity right in here at this 4170 level, the red ice settlement. There's a magnet in there, and the midline of the ice. I put the histogram back on my iZone here to kind of watch this, and we'll see what happens. So now all of a sudden at 8:30, this is turning around, and the Canadian dollar just took a pretty good run up. That's why I keep these 30-minute candles on. The value of those is if the big boys are, if it's a time of day when the big boys are just starting, there will be changes at the half hour because a lot of their trading is algo trading and it's put on with just computer generated. They're robots. They're no brainers, which is why I'm trying to get everybody to truly understand that once you get this apex stuff down, you literally are in the driver's seat for for some excellent trading because you have the technology available to you to be very, very picky about your trades and take just the good ones. It makes you so much more sophisticated trader than these institutional traders will ever be. They don't even know this stuff exists. So, uh, we'll see what TF does today. I'm not real keen on these indices because they're so choppy. Bonds, you could have caught a nice trade-off. Bonds on an apex E, a green E, big 30-minute candle just formed. So gold was very volatile yesterday, and that might continue. So we'll see what the morning brings. I'll come back about noon, and we'll go over any trades that we should have taken, or check this 30-minute doji right here. Now, whether that just formed, this is the 9 o'clock 30-minute. But when it shoots up like that and forms this kind of a doji right at 8:30, that's a news blast. So just sit back, let it calm down, don't get excited, and then take a really good trade. That's a safe one. So I will come back at noon and we'll see what the trades have been. This is my view from my world in Apex land, brought to you by Apex Investing.